Florida Road Tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond. Before we roll out, check out my Florida Road Tripping merch. Shirts, hats, mugs, and more made for the road-loving vibe. Hello, hello, hello everyone. In this video, you will see the RV show that was held at the World Equestrian Center in Ocala, Florida. Even though I wasn't able to get a lot of the makes and models of the RVs, I hope that you still enjoy. And now it's time for the show to begin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
she outside. Yeah, yeah. She road tripping, yeah, she slide through the state. Sunshine living, got the vibe on replay. From the day to the night, yeah, she never off pace. If you ride with Angie, you relate to the way. You relate to the way. Camera rolling, yeah, she catch it in motion. Ocean views, now she back in the open. Yeah. From the food spot straight to the scenes. Small towns to the crowds, now they know what she mean. Yeah, yeah, she vibing. Every weekend she gone. Turn a moment to a memory, you feel in the song. From the back roads out to the coastline breeze. If you looking for the life, she gon' show you the keys. Yeah, yeah. Windows down, let the palm trees talk. Real vibe only, let the whole world watch. Hidden gems, yeah, she put them on map. If you tapping in once, you keep coming right back. She road tripping, yeah, she slide through the state. Palm trees swaying, got the vibe feeling great. Every stop, every move, yeah, she making a shake. Florida road.
Okay, everyone, we've come to the end of another video. I do hope that you did enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do want to thank all my new subscribers, and a big thank you for all of you that continue to ride along with Florida Road Trippin'. Until next time, don't forget to hype me up. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.